1, you're like a dream come true. 2, just wanna be with you. 3, I'm trying to see that you're the only one for me. 4, repeat steps 1 through 3.
Brow definer first. Brush up my brows lightly. And it is better if you have your brows groomed. Like, you know, just so you kind of can see your shape. And I do like the brow definer better than the Wiz, just because I feel like you get more product. It's thicker, and you can draw it out, and you can fill it in. You could do that with the brow Wiz too, but I feel like you go through too much of that product. I feel like when I use this, like, I'm like, oh, it's time to pick up a new one, like, and I don't feel like I'm digging into my pockets, you know? But I do have the brow Wiz too. I do love it. It's just if you're trying to save some money, I suggest, like, save some money as in to repurchase and replenish your products. I probably would choose this one. But both is amazing. Like, I'm one that buys makeup, but I don't want to have to feel like, oh, I used it up so fast, and, you know, repurchasing it like every, month is, I feel like, a little too much. So when I use this, it lasts me about maybe like 3 months or longer, because sometimes I don't really fill it in just with the definer. Just depends on my mood, I guess. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And just something like this. And like, again, and like I said, I did use chocolate to fill and draw out and fill in my brows. Okay. Usually what I do is I take any hydrating spray. Right now I'm using the MAC Fix Plus. Shake it up.
Just hydrate. Wake me up. Try to not get it in your hair. So I just do that.
My Smashbox oil. Little bitty thing.
And then I'm going to take my moisturizer. You know, I don't know which one to use, because I go in between these two. This is Glam Glow. This is
I have 2 moisturizers to choose from that I really, really love with this oil, with the Smashbox Primer Oil. That's what that was. I don't know if I told you or not. This is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. It looks like this. And I really love this one. And it's like green. Like that.
Or I use the Confidence in a in a cream. Then, or I use the It Confidence in a cream.
And it looks like this. And this is amazing too. And it smells really good. Both of them smell really good. This one smells citrusy, and it's a thicker cream, but it doesn't feel thick on the skin. Use that. I'm going to use the
Confidence in a cream.
Now, I'm going to use my Brow Pro palette from Anastasia. It's dirty, but I'm going to use chocolate, the color chocolate, the dark and the light. So it looks like this. I'm gonna take some of the brow powder, fill it into my eyebrow to give that fluffy, soft effect. I don't know what look I'm going for today. I am. My hand's always full of stuff. Not pleasing at all. So, do Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral. Actually, I want to take the P. Louise in shade number 2 called The Rumor. And then I'm going to take the Bare Essentials concealer brush. Okay, it's hard to film. Usually I do my makeup like this. Taking MAC Face and Body in C5. And just kind of cleaning it up around my brows because I'm going to use that as my foundation. I mixed a little bit of my concealer
to make it look more, what's it called? Visually appealing. I will do that.
R times MAC. Oh, go get her. Because it screams holiday. Well, this is his holiday collection, I believe. So it looks like this. I'll probably start off with this lighter color here. It is called Soft Brown. Oh, Soft Brown, yeah, Soft Brown. We all know Soft Brown. Everybody has Soft Brown, right? So we're gonna and with one eye, I have to do the same exact thing to the other eye, because what happens is sometimes I forget how much product I use or how many times I dip back in. I'm gonna take the Smashbox number 10. So the Smashbox number 10 brush. Since it's a fluffier, thicker brush, it's gonna allow me to blend easier. Do the same thing to the other side. And normally I'm like this, doing my makeup, doing my eye makeup. But I'm learning. I'm adjusting, not learning, just adjusting to filming. I haven't used Soft Brown in so long. When I first started doing makeup, MAC was my favorite brand. I was like, I need to get everything MAC. Soft Brown is the first MAC shadow I ever purchased. What, the shadows used to cost $15 per shadow? I'm like, ugh. But now $15 feels like, ooh, $5? But now they have those pro pans that you can get at pro stores, and they're only about, what, $7? So that's awesome. Ooh, I love this color. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Me talking your ears off, I can talk to the camera. A good way, huh? That's so funny. Talk, here, record. Talk to the camera. You know what? Perfect. That's so funny.
This looks good. It looks good, I can tell because it looks smooth.
You look smooth. Okay. Now I'm going to take Swiss chocolate. Swiss chocolate is another popular color, but it's I guess a holiday glam, holiday look.
I want to go for a halo eye, but I don't. And I kind of want to go for a cut crease, but I don't know. That's what happens in my head. Too many ideas. Too many ideas. And then what happens is I get overwhelmed. Can I do this? Wait.
Number 10, and blend out the edges so there's no harshness. I'm going to go back with the Morphe M573 and take the color I'm Into It, the darkest color there, that burgundy color there.